Well, it is time to announce the winner of the Southern Seed Giveaway. This collection included things like greasy green beans, Country Gentleman white corn, and 7 Top turnip greens, among many others. So I used a random selector to choose the winner from the comments that were left below the video, and the winner is Joanne. Thank you so much, Joanne, for entering, and congratulations. If you will kindly send me over your mailing address to rainbowgardens@charter.net, I will get those seeds out to you very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and y'all have a beautiful day.